What is up? What is up? It's your boy, Big Bear Bro in the house. Big Bear the Bear, aka Straight Up Reviews, Fattboyygamer, whatever you guys want to call me out there. But today, right here in this big old bag where it says Best Buy, yeah, y'all. You guys already know Best Buy is my favorite store. Real, raw, head, hun, cut out there. And like I said, y'all, if you guys want to keep seeing any more videos of my things that I bring to you guys, all you guys got to do is hit that subscribe button. All you guys got to do is go to my TikTok channel as well. Go to my Twitch channel as well. Everything and all the links posted down in the video description below. But let's get on with it, y'all. Real raw and uncut. Well, on Black Friday pickups, I got me some Dragon Ball Z double and triple features right there. Real raw and uncut. I used to have some of these on, I think, DVD, but I got rid of them and I wanted to replace them with the Blu-rays. So anyways, y'all, as you guys already know, I got the Dragon Ball Z Super Android 13 and BoJack Unbound right there. As you guys can see, this is a double feature, real raw and uncut. Make sure you guys go get that right there. Then I have the triple feature right there, which is the Broly right there, the legendary Super Saiyan, the Broly Second Coming, the Bio Broly, real raw and uncut. This is the one that I have still on DVD, I believe, and I'm gonna, get rid of that. It's pretty soon. Then I bought this right here in another collection right there, the Dragon Ball Z double pack future movies called Fusion Reborn, right there, real raw and uncut. The Wrath of the Dragon. Oh yes, indeed, y'all. I love me some Dragon Ball Z, and I got this one right there. As you guys already know, this is the the Cooler's Revenge right there, and the Return of Cooler. Oh yes, and to be real with you guys, I never seen these double features right now. This one right here I opened today because I was waiting to see this, and I finally got to watch this Dragon Ball Z right there double feature movie right there called The History of Trunks right there, and the Bardock, the father of Goku. Oh yes, indeed, y'all. Make sure you guys go pick these up as well if you guys don't know where they at. Real raw and uncut. Then we got right here on the couple of 4Ks right there that I had to get in my collection, because like I said, I got these on DVD and I wanted to and I'm in the process of replacing all my other stuff. Got the Godfather Part 1 and the Godfather Part 2. I love these type of mafia movies. Hey, these movies are great classic of histories of all time. I'm telling you guys, go pick them up. This this is the biggest movie in Hollywood that won a lot of Academy Awards and all that. They are very long, very pretty much good movies to sit back and relax. Oh yes. And I picked this up right there called Thor Love and Thunder. I was hearing a lot of flack about this movie. It was saying it's like more comedy and more than a bolder take on the Thor movie and stuff. I really didn't like the last Ragnarok movie, but I said, you know what, let me check this out. I got this right here for 15 bucks on an early Black Friday deal through my through my Best Buy rewards perks and all that. Like I said, y'all, they go down real raw and uncut. Then today I picked up this game called Goat Simulator on the Xbox Series X. Xbox Series X. I never played none of the Goat games, and I said, you know what, let me give it a try. It looks pretty much cool for me to actually play something different instead of Call of Duty on my Twitch live streams. And like I said, if you guys want to see any more of my live streams, make sure you guys go to my Twitch channel, because I keep putting it up out there called Big Bear the Bear. I need some supporting, y'all. If you guys like my channel, go hold a boy down. So anyways, y'all, let's go. We got the Band of Brothers right there by Steven Spielberg and Tom Hanks. I never seen this series, and you guys already know I like army stuff. I like Vietnamese and war type of movies, so I wanted to check this out. This is basically a 10-part series right there featuring 6 discs, and I got it for $9.99, so picked it out. I couldn't even pass that deal up. Then I saw this movie last month. I saw the Elvis movie, and I said, oh my gosh, I really have to get this in my collection to get more about Elvis and stuff. And his backstory is pretty unique, and I was really liking the fact that he supported black musicians back in the day, and also his music was basically influenced by great black musicians back in the day. And I was like, oh okay, Elvis got down with the get down back in the day. Oh yes. Then we got the Poltergeist right there. As you guys already know, when I was younger, you know, you tend to not really pay attention to like movies. You just watch them just because they're a movie. And you know, back in the day, I was like, oh, I don't like this movie. But now I'm a lot older and I love horror type, you know, take movies and stuff. And I was like, you know what? Let me sit down and chill and watch the Poltergeist. And I finally got this for $9.99. So if you guys don't have the Poltergeist, make sure you guys go pick that up if you guys love your horror collection on a great Black Friday of 2022, baby. Real raw and uncut. Then let's see what else we picked up. We picked up right here Monster Hunter. I never ever seen this when it hit the theaters. I never, you know, watched it on digital here at the TV or something like that, because for the simple fact is that Mila Jovovich, we already know that she's, you know, down with all the Resident Evil movies that, you know, got released in the past, and those were boo-boo except for Resident Evil 1 and 2. And then when the you know, she was you know, being featured in the Monster Hunter movie by the same director, Paul Greengrass, I was like, oh my gosh, this is gonna be just like his whack movie Resident Evil, but with Monster Hunter monsters. And I was like, you know what? Let me try it, since it was on Black Friday sale for $8. And you know, say some people said it was actually a good flick, but it wasn't up to the expectations of a visual of gamers around the world. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, y'all, love you guys out there. Yes. And I had to pick up Crawl right there. I watched this a long time ago on Amazon Prime about the, you know, monstrous alligators, you know, crocodiles, whatever you call them. I think they're all the damn same out there. You guys already know how it gets down. So yeah, I picked it up for $9.99. You can also get it right now on 4K for, you know what I'm saying, $19.99, but I got this for $9 since it was already on Blu-ray and stuff like that. So, and the last thing I got up in the bag right here is not that I got it on Black Friday, but it's something that I threw in there as a bonus. You guys already know that I like to experiment on different anime type movies that look very, you know, cool to just sit back and chill on a Sunday and watch. I got this movie called Summer Ghost. It's a debut feature by Landra. So it's about a magical, breathtaking, will bring tears to your sorrows and joys. It's a sad story about, you know, life situations, and you know what I'm saying, centered around this theme. But I can't wait to watch it. So yeah, I'm a fan of the other movies called Your Name. Really cool movie. So this is probably, you know, similar like it. So yeah, y'all, thank y'all for coming. Check out my Black Friday, you know, pickups right there. Like I said, rate, comment, subscribe if you guys want to see some more of my fat ass out there. Oh, and by the way, I'm gonna throw a game in there too, and I bought Evil West right there. Yeah, y'all, this is a game that got released this week, so I had to throw that up in there. Make sure you guys go pick it up on the Xbox Series X. Oh yes, love you guys out there. Y'all have a great day. Yeah.
Where everybody